Hello everyone, Telvad Flippy here, and welcome back to the next episode of Medal of Honor Frontline. So, we just fought our way inside Arnhem, found our contact, and now we are in Germany. So, we're going to infiltrate this facility where this jet fighter is being developed by the Germans. And we're gonna encounter a face we have seen before too in this mission, briefly at the beginning. So, yeah, let's just go straight into it. If the game wants to load its stuff.
Exceptional work, Jimmy. It's good to know you made it to the hotel in Emmerich. Just beyond your window is the city's train station, which the German army has commandeered for military purposes. Sturmgeist will be arriving shortly to board his private armored train. Once on board, we're fairly certain he will be heading straight for the secret airbase. He's been on an inspection tour of various facilities, and all indications are that he's heading there. You must get on that train, Patterson. This may be our last chance to discover where that prototype fighter is being developed. You'll need to find a disguise and bluff your way past the guards. Intelligence tells us that security at the station is relaxed. You should have no problem getting onto the train, but stay alert and don't let down your guard. We're depending on you. Get on that train and follow Sturmgeist to the secret base. You'll continue your mission from there. I should warn you, Jimmy. The British are sending a squadron of Lancasters to bomb the city tonight, and that station is among the list of targets. If you don't make your way out now, you may not make it out at all. Good luck to you.
Alright, on track. Emmerich, Germany. So yeah, like I said, we are now in Germany for the rest of the game. There are like 2 more chapters left of this game, so we're actually getting pretty close to the end. So, yeah. The music is a bit bugging out. Again, that's probably due to the condition of the CD, I guess. Hopefully it's not gonna be too bad, but who knows. Alright. Welcome to Emmerich, Jimmy. So take one last look around. Come down there, it won't be much left. Come down, it won't be much left. Yeah, the city's gonna get bombed by the British, as you heard in the briefing. So we need to get out of here fast and find this armored train. Now, Emmerich Station is just outside your hotel window. Sturmgeist's personal armored train awaits him there. He'll be arriving momentarily to get aboard, so we believe his destination is the secret airbase. So you must be a passenger on that train as well, Lieutenant. You're our best chance of finding that base location, Patterson. While security is light, the Wehrmacht isn't likely to let you waltz into the terminal, so acquire an officer's uniform for the task. Then follow Sturmgeist into the station from a safe distance while you're inside before you steal aboard the train and before you and my reading sucks. And before you steal aboard Sturmgeist's train, see if you might disable the main tracks controls. This should throw the Nazi supply route into disarray for a while. Let's hope so. Remember, Lieutenant, there is another important reason we need you to be on that train. The Royal Air Force will be launching a bombing run on Emmerich tonight. And sadly, come sunrise, much of the city will be nothing but rubble. We hate to hear it that one of our prized agents was somewhere beneath that rubble. So, get on the train, Patterson. Oh yeah, sure, because they're gonna bomb the shit out of the city, and you're gonna see it actually happening throughout this mission, where eventually bombs start to fall. And yeah, let's go. Game might crash due to the disk, I guess, but I don't know. It can happen sometimes. Because the Xbox cannot read the scratch-up disk.
Gut, kannst nicht erwarten, aus verdammten Land rauszukommen. Kommt hier nicht eine anständige Mahlzeit bekommen.
Yeah, that's Sturmgeist again. That's the second appearance of him, you see. So, yeah, there's the train station. We're in Emmerich, the city that's about to be bombed. And we need to get an officer's uniform, which is over here, and some papers. And be sure to switch to the papers, otherwise you're gonna get shot right away. Alright, good. Also, you want to be a bit fast over here, because the guy is gonna come out with you wearing his uniform, so you're gonna get caught. Yeah, there he is, so get in fast. That will pretty much skip that encounter. Yeah, the cover is blown, but that's always gonna happen. So it's time to shoot enemies now. You have an MP40 that I want. Can I have it? Thank you. It's gonna be... You don't have a sniper in this mission though, so you are relying mostly on the MP40. And the pistol. That was one shot getting him. Oh shit. We're fighting the Wehrmacht over here now. Apparently. Alright, good. So we're gonna see more MP40 action. And I think this is also the last mission where we're gonna see the MP40, sadly. So yeah, after the mission, it's gone for good. Alright, we cannot get through that door though. Let's get through here. Love the music in this game. There's an alarm somewhere. Right, let's just get rid of that. No, you don't. There's more dudes over there though. Alright. Ooh, grenades. Stielandgranaten. Okay, there's gonna be a chef in this area. And he deals a lot of damage. Oh, yeah, like that. Alright, but didn't really do too much damage, but there's some health over here at least that I can pick up. There we go, and I'm full again. I like that the music at times just calms down a little bit in this mission. Like when there's like not much happening, the music is a bit calm, but when there's more action happening, the music gets a bit more intense. Not many missions have that actually. Like most of the missions just play one track on loop. But some missions do play sections of a certain of a track on certain missions. Okay, there's a drunken dude over there. Let's kill him. Let's kill him. There's a dude right over there. I'm not hitting him. Alright, that's 2 dudes down. And that's that guy down. That was actually pretty good. Now for some reason the pistol is one-shotting them now. Alright, good. Yeah, for some reason the pistol is one-shotting guys than in other missions, I don't know. Maybe the pistol got a damage buff on this mission. Maybe the pistol got a damage buff on this mission or something, but I don't know. It's gonna be the train, yeah, there's a train stopping over here. Yeah, this thing is just one-shotting enemies. Let's see if we can hit these guys from down here. That was a hit. That was a hit. Yeah, this thing doesn't really very good in range, so I guess I'm gonna get a bit more closer to these guys and take him out the old-fashioned way. There's a dude over there. I think that guy had a pistol though. Damn, this gun sucks with range. Coming back. I'll have to take that, I guess. Yeah, you don't have a sniper rifle, so you don't really have much options in long range combat in this mission, unfortunately. Oh, got a double kill. Good. Oh, hello there. Another dude just appeared up there. Alright, where are you? Oh, two dudes. Alright, got them both. That was a weird animation. I think I have not seen that animation at all. Oh well. There's probably more enemies around here, maybe. No, there's health and MP40. Ammo's not really an issue though, so might be something in these boxes. I think there's guys running out of this door. No? Alright, yeah, I guess I'm thinking of a different area. Yeah, I'm thinking of a different area that looks similar. Dat verdammte ding! Alright. I think there's more health in, yeah, there's health in there. Good thing is health does not despawn after a while when dropped by an enemy, so you can always backtrack if you're low in health. Alright, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Bum bum ba-da-dum. Dum 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 ba ba bum. Hello there. You heard that? Alright. Dat verdammte ding! Oh boy, the alarms are going off, so that means that the bombers are gonna be soon here. Is that dude over there? No, it just looks like it. I know there's more dudes over there. Like that guy over there. Someone with a pistol shooting at me. Probably on the other side. Take this canteen though. Lewis! Oh yeah, is do that the enemies, all my enemies pop out. Alright. Lewis. Shouting at me in German. I'm not scared. And I'm not scared of it. And that guy threw a grenade. I'm just gonna run away and I'll be fine. Alright, is he dead? Yeah, I think he's dead. Na na na. Achtung! Which means pretty much watch out or attention or something like that. Alright. Oh, ammo. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna get some help by backtracking a little bit. So there's some help not too far back, at least. Still, this health kit over here. I'll take that. That would be good. The music is really good in this game. Like I said it many times before, this game has a really good soundtrack. Probably one, in my opinion, one of the best of the Medal of Honor series. No dudes? No. No dudes. There's dudes. Yeah, there comes the bombs. Didn't you see the bloody bombs? Oh yeah, this area, yeah. Final area of the mission. Gonna be a couple of dudes. Jesus guys, I'm aiming directly at the guy, but I'm just not hitting it. Man, pistols just don't hit shit in range. Like MP40 is better, has a better accuracy than the pistol. Jesus. Alright, I guess you wanna watch out for that, because that as soon as you fell down, and yeah, I guess you take some unavoidable damage too, unfortunately. Okay, there's a couple of dudes outside over there. Yeah, there's one over there. A bit hurt though, still have plenty of health. Alright. So far so good. Ow. Don't you dare shoot me. You goddamn officer. Ooh, ow, 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 that hurt, that hurt. Lost a lot of health. Jesus Christ. Okay. Have a grenade then. Okay, that works. That worked out pretty well. Yeah, but the bombers are here now. The door is locked. And here's the armored train we are supposed to board. But before I leave, there's a health pack over here. And there's not enough health for gold stars, so but I know there's more health behind, so I'm guessing I'm gonna backtrack a little bit, so it's time for a time lapse. Oh, never mind. I cannot go back. Well, I guess I'm not gonna have a gold star for this mission unless I find some more health somewhere, somehow, which is not happening. So yeah, no gold star. Yeah, there's no health packs remaining left. I mean, there's no remaining health packs left, so let's just end the mission. And that's the train boarded. Nice. Very nice. Let's wait until the game loads. Hopefully the game's not gonna crash, because there's a chance that the game can crash due to the Xbox not able to read the data on the disk. Sometimes. That would be bad. Yeah, like that. Fuck. And I probably need to do that mission all over again. And yeah. Yeah, that's a problem with your disk you are using. It may be dirty or damaged. Yeah, that's what's happening sometimes. So yeah, I guess we're not gonna see the stat screen for this one. So I see you in the next episode. But yeah, until then, take care and goodbye.